for this exercise, rectilinear motion exercise, find the values of t for which the velocity is increasing. So for number 1, s is equals to t cubed minus 6t squared plus 4. So when we talk about velocity, so ds over dt is just equals the velocity. So, and the second derivative, d squared s all over dt squared is just the acceleration. Right? So, again, we will task to find the values of t for which the velocity is increasing. So, if the velocity is increasing, so if the velocity is increasing, so it means that the acceleration is positive. So we will try to find velocity and acceleration for this one. So we try to first find ds over dt. So we have 3t squared minus 12t. So the second derivative is just equals to 6t minus 12. So after having, so this is the velocity. So this is the velocity and this is the acceleration. So after finding this one, so what it means, velocity is increasing is acceleration is positive. So we try to equate the acceleration to 0. So why do we equate the acceleration to 0? To know that what value of t starts from 0 to positive. So we have to simplify this one. So we have 60 is equals to 12. So t is equals to 2. So at t is equals to 2, so time is equals to 2 seconds. So the acceleration is equals to 0. So what does it mean? So if the velocity is increasing and the acceleration is positive, so uh, so therefore so therefore the values of t when the acceleration when the velocity is increasing, it is at t greater than 2. Why t greater than 2? Because if t is equals to 2, for all values t is greater than 2 or equal to 2, so our acceleration is 0 at 2. So it means that all values of t greater than 2, it means that the acceleration is positive. So this will be now our final answer. T is greater than 2. So let's check if our answer is correct. So t is greater than 2. So our answer here is correct. So let's proceed to another number. So for number 2, s is equals to t raised to the power 4 minus 8t cubed plus 5. So we are tasked to find the values of t for which the velocity is increasing. So we need to find first the ds over dt. So ds over dt, so this is the velocity. So 4t cubed minus 24t squared. So the second derivative, d squared is all over dt squared. So this is the acceleration. So we have 12t squared minus 48t. So when the velocity is increasing, so the acceleration is positive. So we need again to equate the acceleration to 0. So 0 is equals to, so we'll factor out. So I'll just copy first. So again we will factor out 12t. So we have t minus, so 48 divided 12 is just equals to 4. So equating this both sides, so t is equals to 0 and t is equals to 4. So by these two roots, so uh, we need to find the values of t which the acceleration is positive. So at t at t is greater than 4, the velocity is increasing. Why? So why t is greater than 4? So when we talk about t is greater than 0, so t is greater than 0, so there is a root of 4. So 4 is greater than 0, so it must not, will need to pick the bigger root, so that uh, because at t is equals to 0 and t is equals to 4, the acceleration is just equals to 0. So we need to put the t greater than 4, so that we can be able to find the uh, which the velocity is increasing. So this is now our final answer. So let's check if our answer is correct. So t greater than 4. So our answer here is correct. So let's proceed to another number.